Can a codicil invalidate my last will and testament? Imagine you already have a will in place and you want to make a quick change. You might think about adding a note or a small document. That's where a codicil comes in. But can this little addition cause your entire will to become invalid? Let's find out. A codicil is like a legal note that updates or changes parts of your existing will. It does not automatically cancel or invalidate your whole will. Instead, it acts as an amendment. You can use a codicil to add a new beneficiary, change an executor, or update guardianship details. It's a handy way to make small updates without rewriting the entire will. For a codicil to be valid, it must follow the same rules as your original will. This means it has to be written down, signed by you, and witnessed by at least two people who are not beneficiaries. These formalities are very important. If the codicil isn't properly signed or witnessed, it might not be accepted by the court. If your codicil is legally valid, it will usually only change the parts of the will it mentions. The rest of your will stays in effect. For example, if you want to change a beneficiary's name, you can do that with a codicil. But if you try to revoke the entire will with a codicil, that's not usually possible unless the document clearly states that intention. Sometimes, a poorly drafted or conflicting codicil can cause problems. If it's unclear or contradicts your original will, a probate court might reject it. This could lead to your estate being distributed based on the original will, or even under state laws if no valid will exists. In some cases, if you revoke the codicil or it becomes invalid before you pass away, and there is no other valid will, your estate will be distributed as if you died without a will. This is called dying intestate. Many estate planners recommend creating a new will instead of relying on multiple codicils, especially if you plan to make major changes. This helps avoid confusion and ensures your wishes are clear. In summary, a codicil does not automatically invalidate your entire will. It can change specific parts if done correctly. But if it's not properly drafted or conflicts with your original will, it might be rejected. To keep things simple and clear, it's often best to draft a new will when you have significant updates to make. Always keep your will and any codicils together, and have them reviewed by a legal professional to make sure they're valid and effective.